During this presentation, we will discuss some points of improvement to the literacy elements involved in the delivery of a chemical science unit. The use of teaching and learning cycle in conjunction with the 5E model aims to cover the 3 literacy dimensions with 3 literacy goals suggested. Goal 1, operational dimension, ensures students are provided with an abundant chemical science vocabulary. Goal 2, cultural dimension, ensures inclusive practices to cater for the diverse range of students within the classroom and their knowledge regarding chemical science. Goal 3, critical dimension, ensures students make judgments and critically analyse chemical science prior to applying knowledge in practical sense. In order to meet the operational dimension, the teaching goal should be to ensure students are provided with an abundant scientific vocabulary to draw upon throughout the unit, with the intention to use this long term throughout the curriculum area, while engaging students by drawing upon the prior knowledge. Strategies to assist this might be to use vocabulary-specific questioning during explicit teaching and providing students with definitions of scientific terms such as solid, liquid, melt and freeze. This can be built upon with the use of a word wall as a developing learning piece to enhance student vocabulary. Strategies such as this can be culturally inclusive, creating the second teaching goal, catering for the diverse range of students present within the classroom in regards to their comprehension of the chemical science. A strategy for this can be allocating reading homework to gain support from parents in learning processes. A goal regarding critical dimension of literacy can be focusing specifically upon the content descriptor by making judgments and critically analysing prior to applying this to new contexts when conducting investigations into solids and liquids. Allowing students to critically analyse through practical experiments, they are then more likely to successfully develop their own piece of text. Hands-on practical experiences with liquids and solids allow students to build connections to the learning material and make meaning of scientific context, texts and facts via the exploration element of the modelling. Benefits to these teaching strategies is it allows for informal literacy to be used as a specific learning tool, through inquiry sparking discussions from which students are able to make connections. Specific limitations to these literacy practices are that many procedures are involved in scientific practical demonstrations. In order to overcome this, it is important that both structured and unstructured investigations are safely provided throughout the chemical science unit. By undertaking these activities, the teaching and learning cycle allows teachers to demonstrate guided practices by drawing upon the 5E model. As explained, these tasks are vital in supporting the teaching of formal and informal literacy. And it cannot be done without the inclusion of all 5 elements of the 5E model: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. The 5E model assists students in reaching the literacy goals and in turn will assist in covering all 3 literacy dimensions and developing students' higher order thinking. If there is any further questions about this, please feel free to contact me regarding this. Thank you.